What's up, fellow YouTubers? Well, check it out. I'm gonna call this the VW 3.0 because I did go through two other sets of decals, and the first set, just because the decals that came with this kit, I don't really know if they were just old or what, but they didn't want to lay down right or nothing like that, and they were ripping when I was putting the decal setting solution. But I did use the Mr. Mark setter, and I think it was a little bit harsh on them, so I did it the other time, and I ended up going to polish it out, but I used a paint thinner on accident because I had it near my water, and yeah, it was a mess. But I laid these decals down. I think this set of decals laid the best out of all of them, so I'm kind of, in a way, I'm kind of glad it happened. I mean, I'll let you guys take a look at it, so you guys can look at VW Rally 3.0. See how nice they came out? They laid down really nice and flat, so I'm hoping the clear goes on really nice, which I don't think I'm gonna have any problems. If you guys look back a few videos ago, you guys will see when I had to strip this again after all that happened with the paint thinner. The body was all melted up. I had to really restore this body, so I mean, I have a lot of work into this kit now in just this. But you know, I do have, let me see if I can show you guys. Inside here, I do have a lot of it already done. You know, it's all painted up and ready to go, and stuff's ready to be put together. So this should be a pretty quick little model. So let me get this out of the way here. So hope you guys like what you see here. So I mean, I worked on it in a few hours today, so I saved it. Came out nice, I think. I really like it. I mean, I think it's gonna be a good one now. And you guys can see I did some work to the RX-7. The interior, I have the interior just setting in here. I get the glass in there. This has all been polished out and everything looks pretty good. So I mean, I got fingerprints all over it. So this is going to be one that's going to go together pretty quick too. So I still get some weathering to do here and some bluing, and yeah, it's going to come out pretty good. So I'm way back on track with these two. Everything's good. I am going to start working on this though, that Buzz Lightyear. So anyway, I just thought you guys would want to see the VW 3.0. So also, I'm going to do a video, or probably a video soon, because I want to do a giveaway. I don't know how many kits I'll give away, but I need to do something for, because I did do that 1,000 subscribers. I got 1,000 subscribers. I want to do a video for that. So stay tuned. The rules probably still be just like everybody else. Is got to be subscriber and comment and stuff on the video that I put up. So that's pretty much all I got going on right now. Oh, another cool kit a buddy of mine got me was this. I don't know if I showed this on any other video, but holy smokes, I've been wanting this kit for a while, and it is nice. I definitely gotta do open box on this. But this is one cool kit, guys. So yeah, this kit's awesome. So thanks, Jeff Bowman. He's a buddy of mine. He ended up purchasing me this kit and brought it over, surprised me. I thought it was awesome. But but he's a good friend of mine, and I really appreciate it. So thanks a lot, Jeff. And we're gonna probably do a buddy build. He's got another one of these. We're gonna probably break them open at the same time. So anyway, so be looking for that up in the upcoming near future. And I'm just babbling on. I think I'm just giddy over this because I'm finally on track with it. If anything else goes wrong with it, I am gonna smash it. Nah, I don't know. Yeah, no, dude, I'm really happy with this kit so far. Seems to be a pretty good kit. Everything that's went wrong with it's been my fault. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm babbling, and the video's going on 6 minutes soon. So you guys all have a good night. I wanted to do a quick video just to show you that, yeah, I'm actually happy. So, all right, guys, take care and have a great night. Bye.